Okay, guys, so this is when we were at Munnar at the Fog Resort. And right now, Kaylin is on top of the billiards board. And that game is called Billiards, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, and our friends are playing that. And Kaylin just holding some of the balls. She's having lots of fun. And I'm right there in the back in that yellow shirt. Yeah, and that's Ellen and our friend Ruben. They're playing that football game. And I forgot that name of the game. And if you guys remember, please do comment down below. Yeah, and that's really fun. And yeah, and here's Caitlin playing with the chess pieces. Yeah, then Ellen's coming here to play with the chess pieces too. Just move them around. Yeah, and now we are at the swimming pool. This was one of our favorite parts there. Yeah, and Ellen didn't know how to swim back then, so I would teach her. Yeah, and it's really fun. See, Ellen's right now paddling. Yeah, she's in the pink suit. I'm the yellow one, and I'm showing my tricks to my mom. Yeah, I learned so many new tricks in there. I didn't know I could do so many tricks. Yeah, it's so fun over there. You should definitely go to the Fog Resort in Munnar. It is so fun. Yeah, and there's our friend over there swimming in there. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, I got my goggles. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, now Kaylin's on top of the billiards board. Then we have, this is when we were going. And this is the park there was there, and that's all.